If you're finding yourself postponing buying your first home, you're not alone, and it's not because you're indecisive or doing something wrong. For most people, this is the largest purchase that they are ever going to make. It's normal to hesitate. What I see repeatedly, that hesitation comes from a combination of fear, conflicting advice, and uncertainty about risk. What you're hearing from different banks, mortgage brokers, friends and family, social media and headlines, and many of those opinions are simplified down to one question: what rate are you getting? That kind of commentary can make anyone second guess, especially when people around you judge decisions without understanding your full financial situation. That there's also a genuine fear of making a mistake, locking yourself into a mortgage that feels permanent. People worry about what happens if their income changes, if interest rates increase, or if they buy at the wrong time and overpay. Some buyers are also natural bargainers. They are used to negotiating hard on everything they buy. So the idea of buying property at the market price feels uncomfortable, even when market is moving quickly. On top of that, there's a learning curve. Buying a home isn't just about choosing property. It involves understanding mortgages, lending policy, cash flow, and risks, all at the same time. There's a lot to process. What often gets missed in the process is that there are two risks to compare, not one: the risk of buying and the risk of not buying and staying where you are. So that has its own risk too, especially in a rising property market. The goal isn't to rush you or pressure you. It is to help you find the right pace that is right for you. That pace can't be so slow that fear turns into procrastination. And also it can't be so fast that you feel rushed or overwhelmed. As a credit advisor, my role isn't to make decisions for you. My role is to provide you with, explain the information and the trade-off, and make recommendation based on experience and policy. Ultimately, the decision has to be yours. And the key to making good decision isn't certainty, is to understanding how mortgages work, understanding how the property markets behave, and most importantly, understand your own risk tolerance. When people understand their risks properly, they tend to move with more confidence, even in a competitive market. Learning doesn't eliminate risk, but it helps you to choose which risks you're comfortable with and which you're not. That's how you move forward without feeling rushed and without staying stuck.